Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm excited to have you here with me for another episode focused on growing your English skills. Today, we're talking about a fundamental part of speech, nouns. If you're at an A2 level or beginner, this episode is perfect for helping you understand what nouns are and how to use them in your daily conversations. Let's dive right in. So, what is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are essential because they help us talk about everything around us: people, objects, locations, and even concepts. Common examples of nouns include words like teacher, city, apple, and happiness. Let's look at some examples to make it clearer. Imagine you're talking about your favorite animal. You could say, "The dog is my favorite pet." Here, dog is a noun that names an animal. Or, if you're talking about a place, you might say, "I live in a small village." In this case, village is a noun that names a place. Another example could be, "She has a lot of courage." Here, courage is a noun that names an idea or feeling. In everyday life, nouns are everywhere. If you're at a restaurant, you might say, "I'd like some water, please." Or, if you're introducing a friend, you could say, "This is my friend, Sarah." Using nouns helps make your sentences clear and meaningful. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Hello Word. I hope you found this introduction to nouns helpful and that you'll try using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and keeps us going. Keep practicing, and I'll catch you in the next episode.